Hello friends, welcome back to the another interesting session of Intelligent Student. In this episode, we are going to learn about top 5 most powerful countries in the world. The detailed discussion about the top 5 most powerful countries of the world information will be given in this video. So before starting this topic, if you have not watched my previous video, so please watch it with the link given in the description below. So let's start with the top 5 most powerful countries in the world. The top 5 most powerful countries in the world are Germany, which is given 5th rank, Kingdom, that is 4th, China, that is 3rd, Russia, that is 2nd, and United States, that is on the first position in the top 5 most powerful countries in the world. So let's begin with the detailed information about all these countries in the world which are most powerful. Fifth rank is given to Germany. This is the map of Germany and the flag of Germany and the street of Germany's image is given in this slide. Germany has long been one of the most powerful nations in the world. Every time the country has been ravaged by war and internal conflicts in the past, the economy has been able to recover. The Germany economy consistently rank in the top 10 thanks to its extremely skilled and highly educated population. Located in the Central Western Europe, Germany is a well-developed nation with a high standard of living. It is one of the largest exporter and has a very strong global economic influence. So this is the information about Germany, which is the fifth most powerful nation in the world. Fourth rank is given to the United Kingdoms. The map and the flag of the United Kingdom is given in this image, and also the London Bridge is also given in this photo. Another permanent member of United Nations Security Council, the Kingdom, composed of England, Scotland, Wales, and the Northern Ireland. It is a highly developed country located in the Western Europe. Though it is currently surrounded by uncertainties due to the infamous Brexit, the UK still remains on the one of the most powerful countries in the world. Like France, the UK is an official nuclear weapon state and is a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It has one of the best navies in the world as well as one of the most capable foreign intelligence agencies, the Secret Intelligence Service, commonly known as M16. So this is the information about the fourth most powerful nation in the world, which is United Kingdoms. The whole information about the fourth most powerful nation is given in this slide. So let's move ahead. The third most powerful nation is China. The map of China and the flag with a street is given in this image. China is the most populous nation in the world. It holds a great deal of economic influence and has the second largest economy in the world, just behind the US. Based on how the Chinese economy has rapidly grown within the last 3 decades, it is very much possible it could overtake the US economy in the near future. The Asian country is also the world leader in the export. Hence, all the made in China products that you see every day. A member of United Nations, China has a strong political influence in the world. Though many have criticized the Chinese government for the employing questionable methods and for being too aggressive. This is the information about the third most powerful nation in the world, which is China. So let's move ahead with the second most powerful nation in the world. Second most powerful nation in the world is Russia. The map of Russia with a flag and the street of Russia is given in this video. Russia is the largest country in the world by area, entirely covering the northern Asia and the majority of the eastern Europe. It is one of the largest economies in the world, sustained by the extensive natural resources in the country. It is the world leader when it comes to the oil and natural gases reserves. A permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, Russia has one of the most powerful military in the world. The country is the home to the largest stockpile of the nuclear weapon with about 7,000 nuclear warheads. So this is the information and the what is special in this nation, that is Russia, is given in this slide. So let's move ahead. Most powerful nation in the world is United States. The United States is the most powerful country in the world. It has the largest economy in the world thanks in the great part to the massive entertainment and media industry. The economy in the California alone produces about 2.5 trillion dollars. Assuming California was a country, that number would have made the California economy one of the top 6 in the world. Imagine that in the term of political influence, the US is unparalleled. So this is the information about the most powerful country in the world, which is United States. The comparison of all the top five most powerful countries in the world is given in this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, so please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want the latest updates of my video, so please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And also share it with everyone in your family. Thank you.